Ndewonu ndị be anyị. Welcome to Learn Igbo Language by Rennee-best. My name is Irene Njideka. In this channel, we learn Igbo language. Just feel free to subscribe, like and share to give us more morale to post more things. Today, we are going to talk about magic words. Magic words. Magic words means Okwu anwansi. Words means Okwu. Anwansi means, how do I talk it to? Something that will make you to be like, something that will put melody into your heart. That is anwansi. Number one, we have forgive me. Forgive me. Gbagharam. Gbagharam. Forgive me. Gbagharam. When you offend someone, you just go to the person. Oh, gbagharam. Oh, gbagharam. Forgive me. Well done. Ndewo. Well done. Ndewo. You see someone that has been laboring, maybe a carpenter, and you just say, Ndewo. Well done. And if you check, I used to say it always on this channel, Ndewo no ndebani. Because I don't know what you're doing where you are. You know you are doing something. Ndewo. Another one is sorry. Ndo. Sorry. Ndo. You can use it in many occasions. Someone sustained injury. Ndo. You march on someone unknowingly. You just turn. Oh, Ndo. Sorry means Ndo. Sorry means Ndo. Ndo. Sorry means Ndo. Sorry means Ndo. Another one is excuse me. Cheregodi. Excuse me, cheregodi. If someone is blocking your route, you can just say cheregodi, means excuse me. Or if you are pressed, you want to go and free yourself, you can just say biko cheregodi, cheregodi. You want to pause someone is talking, and you have something to chip in, and you want the person to keep quiet for that second so that you talk your own. Cheregodi. Excuse me. Cheregodi. Excuse me means cheregodi. 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 Excuse me means cheregodi. Excuse me. Cheregodi. Cheregodi. You can use it in many occasions. Any place you know you can say excuse me, just use that word cheregodi and you are correct. Another one is Imeela, thank you. Imeela, thank you. Someone gives you something. Just tell the person, thank you. Imeela. 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 Someone gives you a ride and you want to get down from the car, you say, Imeela, 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 Imeela. It shows that you have a grateful heart. You are highly appreciative of what that person has done for you. Another one is please, biko, biko. Biko. Please means biko. Biko. When you want to beg someone for something, you say biko. Biko nye mu pen. Biko nye mu pencil. Please give me pen. Please give me pencil. Biko. If you offend someone, you can also say biko. Remember, we're talking about magic words, Okwu anwansi. Those words that will make you to do, it just puts butterfly into your belly. That's what we're talking about right now. And I hope you've enjoyed it. Please, what you can do for us is to just give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Emaila. Let me speak it in Igbo. Emaila. Biko subscribe. Biko binyaka. Biko binyaka. Emaila. Biko binyaka. Please subscribe. Please. Biko ziana. Bakodi. Cardio.